guest this evening. Big up to my first guest, Jodie Natty. Big bad artist. She was here and she done her thing. Remember, go onto YouTube, on our YouTube page, Upnliveshow, and you can watch all the previous videos as well. And the freestyle with Jodie Natty, I go on with a bag of things. Hot freestyle. So people, you need to see that. Make sure you go onto a YouTube channel and support that, alright? And you know, man, Dragon a reason today about some multiple things. Dragon say fight up on the net. And I attack the mix up and he just drop the mix up halfway. I don't know what I go on for him. He just drop the catch shot. I don't know what I go on for that. But anyway, we're going to catch up on that really and truly later on from this. But people, right now, we are going a different look direction this evening. Right? So this evening, in UK, London, on TGM Radio, for the very first time, from way down in the country, from the green hills of Brownstown, going down to Cave Valley, going up to Sparling, making it further on, all the way down to Trelawney, we bring to you Clarendon's baddest. This is... Give me a drum roller. The one and only Infinity UK. Cutty, welcome to the show, sir.
Yo.
Hear the voice now, man. Jack, I know the voice the sound.
You have a turn down Cutty mic, you know. The voice speaks in.
Big up DJ Gwen him there. The Infinity UK family is inside the building. Or we stay Gwen. You live out there?
Yeah.
Alright, good. So what go on, Cutty? What's good? Long time we need to have a little link up here now.
Well, you know, only power works are going because you don't know. We have the little class here forward and
yeah.
Trust me, right now, the boy killers was in a studio do some holy so that's why I'm not even sure up right now.
I don't mean I say me not say killer, but anyway.
So people are dead then?
Yeah, people.
Them dead?
Dragon, you don't know that, man.
Them dead off?
Dragon.
Alright. Cause
So.
me see you coming already, you know, like a bloody ass, you know.
Yo.
People dead, you know.
Oh, God, man. If I tell you.
Of course. So people, if you don't know who's Infinity UK, are you the reigning champions now? Because I know you were the reigning champion of the UK Cup clash.
Well, this what you call it? The Rumble.
The UK Rumble.
Yeah,
so
this is
it's
the
changed
Rumble.
to a different name, yeah?
Yeah, the Rumble is a big thing where, you know, the whole of the London sound and
Yeah.
all over the country, you know, Birmingham and Leeds and the whole of them places, yeah, the bad sound them, about Gunchester.
So talk to me about you getting into clash culture. How was it for you what was it for you that got you into this?
Well, Rick, overall, you know, music are our thing already. You know, so when come on to music,
Yeah.
but I decided to play music hard. And I kind of see the class fraternity I get. I see myself in the class fraternity. Somebody decided to, yo,
You just-
war. I kill just get up and say, yo, I go war them boy, you know, because them boy ain't already defeated. First clash going on, everything dead.
Yeah.
We just beat up them. Yo, Rick, I can't even know a great feeling for what I'm going through right now. Trust me.
But
So,
you look like you like the clash more than anything else.
no, Rick, let me tell you something. I love music
Yeah.
than everything else. Yeah, man. Anybody know me? Music is just my life.
Yeah.
You understand? So, once a music and entertainment, I'm ready there, man. Class juggling, christening. You understand? It just today. Wedding. You know, I play with it.
Yeah.
Lord God, you call like a class with a class, you know.
Where's the bride and the groom are war?
Oh, yes, man.
A murder.
I'm more about things that are going on. That's entertainment overall. That's how we know about it.
Of course. The sound name is Infinity UK. Of course, there's another Infinity sound. Are you guys related, or is it a separate entity, or talk me to how does that work?
Well, basically, you know, Infinity are like, we have an Infinity in Clarendon.
Yeah.
So, you know, worldwide, we just say, look, they're UK, you know, we'll take it to another level and spread the wings.
Okay. So
But then we find out, say, other Infinities out there, and then people are kind of mixed up with them. So we say, you know, we have put the UK upon it
okay.
to be outstanding, you know. So we say
Okay.
Infinity UK.
Okay, so you just use the UK to just stamp and say, all right, so listen to me. All of who the America and whatever, and me this UK.
So this is
and
the
my
UK
turn.
version.
Yeah, this
okay.
is UK.
Okay. And how long have you been doing the sound has been in existence?
Well, the sound has been on for a while, but we kind of established from 2007.
What caused that?
Well, you know, Killer did a play next sound, Me did I play next sound and you know this side where I say, yo, you know a joke thing because sometimes what we really want to do, the urge we want for it, it's like when we play the next set of sound them because Killer that play one sound named King Warrior.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me that play one sound named Melatonin. I don't know them already.
I know,
Yeah, and then me I look at me and say, you know, like a joke thing this. I want them look upon Killer, I say, Killer, you know, every day you don't at Orleans, me I take you out to Orleans. I take you up on the big stage. He look at me like him laugh and like him I say, yo, Killer, you know, that's a cut a joke here. I say, nah man, I take you up on the big stage. Big and serious. I'm sorry, you know what? What dealing at the juggling thing. I just stay there juggling, build a vibes and I say, yo, the thing are going and people are calling and promote. You know when I promote I love staying and just give you a little bookings and they want to give you a thumb change and I say, yo brother, all that you know. Cause working man they may talk to, you see, no all that man.
Yeah.
We're good. So we just build and grow thing from the juggling and you know, kind of see it go a certain way. But you don't know the juggling dance song already. I'll hate DJ and I said, Channel Star, yo, this look good.
But that's what I realized when that's I think maybe why you guys stand out as much because with the juggling, as you say, it's 8, 9, 10 DJs, but with the war, not many people get involved into the clash because it's an expensive endeavor. How does it work for you organizing songs for a clash? Do you have to like source special type of dub plate say you're gonna clash with somebody? So you're gonna clash with Dream Team now. How would you prepare yourself to clash against like any other sound?
No, like me go clash with Dream Team now, me have to take a loan. You know, Dream Team are my brother them, man. You see it. So
now me talk in general, anybody you go clash. So
How do you go by to prepare for a clash? Like
UK
in terms of cutting songs?
no, well, really and truly, we don't.
Do you cut like custom song for the specific clash that you're playing?
Well, depends on your opponent in the car. Sometimes boy, you're going to them boy, they have to go cut something. We're outstanding. So you know, a little money I have to go spend deep in the pocket, you know.
But is it worth it though to kind of go to the realms? Are you seeing it's profitable to source such rarity in the music? Because it is expensive. It's an expensive art.
Very expensive game. Very expensive.
And there's a few things I will not ask you as well as a sound man. But before, I wanted you to kind of give me a little insight from you guys because I know you're preparing for the UK Rumble right now. That's coming up. What are you doing different from this class that you haven't done before?
Well, you know, basically it's the same thing, cutting the tunes and man, every thing, but we want to like put it on a more juggling level. When people hear the class, them feel entertained.
Okay.
I don't want to not be done like a normal thing. Oh, like you build back in or something. No. People
Like-
must say, yo.
So like it's a modern day type of clashing.
Yeah.
So it's like juggle and clash at the same time. Similar to what Bass DC kind of do at a juggling party.
Yeah, man. Same way.
Okay.
Can't get no difference. If you watch Boom Clash,
Yeah.
them like them type of clash. Them clash are entertaining.
Vibes there.
So at them level, they may set my sound at.
That makes sense. But it's as I said, that's even more expensive because the juggling the songs don't last too long, innit?
Yeah, but it depends what type of tune you want to juggle.
That makes sense.
Because, you know, some people go up on the top 10, top 20. No. You cut out some artists when them not going to expect. And I said, John, oh, them put the tune up.
Yeah.
Yo,
Okay.
Panda rhythm there.
That's what I like. I like that farm art in terms of the clash thing, like some unexpected song pan the modern day juggling. Or some modern day song pan some old juggling.
You
So-
know what I talk about.
Makes sense. We got one more question I want to ask you, yeah?
Yeah.
And this is the question that I've been on countless number of live and talking about. Prices of dub plate. What is a reasonable price for a dub plate? Coming from you, a sound man.
Say the new artist, the new upcoming artist, not the established
This
one who've
one.
been in the game for 5-6 years. I'm talking the artists who are in the game for 3-4 years. What you think the benchmark price should be
For a dub
for a
plate.
dub plate?
Hit song.
Hit song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically, all means to the artist them really, them a price himself. And them a price himself that sound man like we no one pay fee. Because really, me not pay for certain dub plate. Because me no want live out a door. No, talk the truth now. If you're going to pay £1,500 for a dub plate, Rick, Dragon, look on it.
Yeah.
1,500. You basically look on it. A hard-working 9 to 5 selector like me is going to pay £1,500 for a dub plate. I think that's ridiculous.
Yeah, I think some of them, they are pricing themselves out of
the game.
Out of the game, and like we as selectors and as people who in the music fraternity, I think we do a major job for their career as well. So I think it should be like a little gentleman agreement and say, selector them and people in the fraternity, you put a little price. And that's why I say, you can charge what you think you're worth, but don't take the piss.
Yeah, the artist are matter, believe me. Right now, we check some artists and, oh, brother, if you know, we look at them and say, brother, I can't take your tune and go make song with you that, you know.
Yeah.
Because remember, me tell you, say.
We'll go and play 45.
Me hold my own.
Me not bash nobody. Last time, me that hear how much for like a baby sham. Him 1,000 US feet. And I was thinking to myself, like, me spend 1,000 US and cut one baby sham. Which song baby sham who have that effect in that power? That worth my £1,000. And like to
be fair, him have big songs.
Him have big songs, but me, I don't see him have no song were relevant or the way worth for me to pay $1,000 US for it. It's my point of view. Maybe somebody else think different.
A lot of money. But anyway, the puzzle is still unsolved. But Infinity Sound is here in the building now. We now go just there chat to them. But we talk to Cutty. The Chatterrocks on the sound, the Killer Rocks. And we have DJ Gwen is here. He's the man behind the steel. And we're going to turn things over to Gwen right now and to see what's going on. Because this is a segment where Infinity takes over the show. And just the last 15 minutes, this is what's going to happen right here now. But me see like, I get some like a different meditation. What's going on there? That don't look good. But anyway, people, let's just block this part.
Everything live, you know, right now is all about the juggling over. So, you know, taking Infinity UK.
Yeah.
I give you a quick 20 minutes, you know, juggling. So,
non-stop juggling,
you know,
right?
something goes say, when you can just come out of UK Rumble and just look out for, you know, some fire. You know, something go cause. Remember a bad sound, you know. And when we say a bad sound, and not because we are not my friend. If we're in that little North London area or in London, we're not supposed to know them and we might buck them up at some party and we don't wonder who them youth they play.
Yeah.
But anyway, I want to say big up to the sponsors of the show. I want to say big up to Shushprint, Fastprint, World Mag, the producer of the show. And I want to say big up everybody who always follow the journey. I'm going to say continue following our journey.
Yep.
And I want to say subscribe to our YouTube channel, you know what I mean, and like our page and, you know, do the right thing. Click the notification bell so you know as we drop the new video, them you get notified. Seeing? So anyway, we turn it over right now to the big bad
Infinity UK.
Alright.
Stage is yours,
When you ready?